Good morning, everyone. Today I would like to present my research and paper. The title is Habit Paradox for the Polarization and the Radicalization. The background, there are polarization and radicalization become trend nowadays. The development of increasingly sophisticated technology, the trend of using social media has been used by radical groups to spread their doctrine. The danger of radicalism makes the stability and peace of a country can be threatened. Several steps and educational strategies, both formal and non-formal, were taken to overcome this radicalization and polarization. The research question, hybrid product approach means the will and politician to move and flow to another opposite sides so that they can know and understand each other across cultures, across fields, across sectors, across genders, across science, across platforms, across communities, across races. As a result, there is empathy, sympathy, and desire to learn from each other, inspire, help, complement, and contribute. The research question are, can hybrid product approach become an alternative strategy for the polarization and the radicalization? What are the practices of hybrid product approach which can be applied to the polarization and the radicalization? The alternative strategy for the polarization can be useful and implemented to another place and country. The literature review, illegal conflict, drive division between camp, drive polarization, conflicting collective narratives about society develop, division with camp, ideologically opposite camps form, division with opposite camps creates condition for intergroup interaction, intergroup interaction. Polarization is ideological distance, psychological distance, hostility, and distrust. Further extremization of group narratives. As Briuk 2021 research. From Virtue 2019, we know the stimuli, past experience, past knowledge, and new information, they have to distrusting attitude, technical, moral, and interest-based, drive to behavioral, subsequent action, behavioral consequence. So literature view from the radicalization factor, there are some bases from past 1, sensitivity, past 2, group membership, past 3, action. The radicalization intervention from coercive and massive with this transformation from significant quest, collectivist ideology, empowerment effect, sacrifice effect, to readiness for martyr, violence, or pro-social behavior. The literature review for habit approach. Habit approach is used to better understand meaning construction and gain a more holistic reading of response differences between varied grouping of mediated content. Hybrid strategies are effective for organizational performance and excellence. Hybrid is an alternative strategy to calculating the orientation quality and quality intensity in one step instead of the steps. Method used in the hybrid approach is 4. The analysis of the youth mixed result achieved with the alternative approach shows its potential as an aid in the computation of semantic orientation and produce some lesson learned in developing a more effective mechanism to calculate the orientation polarity and polarity intensity. Hybrid is as being ongoing, organic, and iterative, requiring the people to be reflective and reflexive. Literature review for the paradox approach. Thriving in increasing complex and ambiguous environment requires creativity and the ability to reconcile conflicting demands. Recent evidence with Western samples has suggested that paradoxical frames or mental templates that encourage individuals to recognize and embrace contradiction could produce creative benefit. We extended timely but understudied topic-based studying the nuances of for whom and why creative advantage of visual frame image. We suggest that people endorsing a middle ground approach are less likely to scrutinize conflict and reconcile with negative solution, thus receiving less creative benefits or paradox solving. There are some methods for paradox approach. One, showing evidence of contradictory, reiterated, simultaneous, and persistent paradoxical tension in the empirical setting. Two, developing reliable and flexible protocol for paradox identification. Three, pushing for multi-level paradox studies. Four, practicing reflectivity. Five, staying close to the context. Six, leveraging multimodality. This research use qualitative study method with online research and literature research for 33 papers. The cases from Canada, Saudi, Yemen, Malaysia, Indonesia, Masamba, Filipina, Nigeria, Netherlands, China, Jerman, Bima, Europe, Middle East, Spain, Belgium, Kenya, Morocco, and Egypt. We collect the data, also display the data. After reducing data, we make verification and conclusion. There is an indication from some studies and study cases of various countries. The happy purpose for deradicalization and deforestation can be implicated through this program. Execution studies could be programmatic deradicalization through classroom learning and religious coaching in extracurricular activities, while an incidental deradicalization is done through curricular activities, studies, religious coaching, ta'lim, and research. Comparative study is strategy to have a comprehensive program. It should be a program within the context of an all-inclusive strategy. Mutual visit are important to learn, understand cultural diversity, learning to understanding religious plurality, and learning to understand social economic based community. Third, the contribution of peace education development at the two pesantren include contribution of building non-violence culture, developing cultural appreciation of human rights, and awakening democratic values and tolerance around society. Exchanging roles to assess the extent of this engagement, Barrel proposed 5 domain, 3-level domain of this engagement called the pro-integration model. In each domain, there are 3 levels of social engagement, which can be minimal, causes, or positive. Barrel concludes that social relations are the vehicle through which most change occur, so consideration of who a person spends time with is critical. Coping skill and self-care are necessary for an individual to move from surviving to thriving in society. In short, this engagement is actually about engagement somewhere else. Residencies. Kay can change the behavior of the farmer by Jima Bastard, being personally pelopor or leader, which is characterized as a leader in preaching and with civilization together with the surrounding communities. Tawazun, balance according to the characteristic of Islamic boarding school and the quality of personal counselor, balance between quality salahiyah, scientific powers and skill with the solid integrity, strength of character. On delivering a message, the balance between targhib, reinforcement, and targhib, punishment. In the formal bajingan or positive behavior change, the balance between ritual pity and social pity. Then, cooperation. Altruism is an action that is carried out voluntarily or on the basis of one's own will without considering the benefits or rewards of others. Altruism is related to religiosity, where people who have high religiosity tend to act altruistically. Likewise, people who apply the practice of gratitude will tend to display act of altruism and have a high level of religiosity. The purpose of this study was to determine the relationship between religiosity and altruism mediated by gratitude. There was a relationship between religiosity and altruism, religiosity and gratitude and altruism. Collaboration. The derivation program, which rooted in social identity basic assumption, is comprehensive established without discrediting certain religious values, and the eradication program in Indonesia can be regarded as successful if the number of people turning back to the radical act is low. So to create sustainable effort, BNPT should promote the program more harmoniously to ensure the effectiveness of the rehabilitation program. Joint discussion forum or conference, available studies display a predominant interest in the characteristics of radical website and remarkable action of a user center perspective. They show that extremist groups make use of the internet to spread right-wing or theorist ideologies, connect like minded others in echo chambers and cloaked websites and others particularly marginalized individuals of a society with specific strategies for recruitment. Existing studies have thus far not sufficiently examined the nature of sites, nor have they studied the causal mechanism that unfold that at the interaction between the internet and its user. Young student as a strategy of the education is of Java was carried out in several ways, starting from the strengthening of school quality, ideology, literacy, curriculum, teachers, and school management. There is also rehabilitation through early intervention for those who are affected by extremist ideologies but remain free because they have not been protected as an immediate security risk. Joint project can rely on parallel regulators such as exit from state gangs, mainstream religious groups, costs, and non-financial social to build a robust sample of studies that assess the extent to which group X factor may generalize across different population. During exhibition and festival, the upstream level, the program of the education must be carried out within the framework of interdepartmental and ministerial partnership. This program should invite as many students as possible to involve and it as wide audience as possible at the mainstream level. The program of education must apply to human rights principles. The security approach taken by the government should not end with killing or dehumanizing terrorists. By doing so, the national program of the eradication and can able as much sympathy possible and will not harvest backlash from the Islamists. So the conclusion and the recommendation, the practice of hybrid project approach can be applied through execution studies, comparative studies, mutual visit, exchanging roles, residencies both short-term and long-term, cooperation and collaboration in various fields, joint discussion forum, exchange student, joint project in STEM, humanitarian, economic, environmental, educational, social, cultural, exhibition, and festival that present multicultural work can also be an arena for hybrid product approach campaign in the context of the eradication and globalization. Thank you very much.